50 years ago, someone parked this here and never came back.
The hitch is completely seized. This hasn't moved since the Nixon administration.
(1974). The last time these plates were valid, the world was a different place. Let's see what 50 years of neglect looks like inside.
Someone's last breakfast in here was probably before I was born. The wildlife has been enjoying this kitchen more than the original owners.
The frame is solid, but everything attached to it needs serious help.
Careful now!
We need to protect what's left of this roof.
This wheel hasn't turned in half a century.
Into the light for the first time since 1974.
Every scratch tells a story. Every dent is a challenge.
Let's see what's been hiding under half a century of neglect.
Same camper, same day. Just a little water and effort.
The easy part is done. Now the real work begins. Under all this rust, there's still good metal waiting to be saved.
That's not just surface rust. We've got some serious metalwork ahead.
Sometimes saving something means cutting away what can't be saved.
Fresh metal, cut to fit exactly where the old stuff failed.
Stitch by stitch, we're bringing this camper back. Perfect. You'll never know there was a hole here.
The floor is worse than we thought. 3 feet of replacement needed.
"28 by 42 inches. Marine ply will handle any future moisture."
Perfect fit, like it was always meant to be here.
Solid as the day it left the factory, maybe stronger.
Every square inch gets attention. That's how you get a finish that lasts another 50 years.
First coat down. Etching primer bites into the metal for permanent adhesion. Under primer, every flaw shows. That's how we know what's left to fix.
One more round of primer on the touch-ups, and we're ready for color.
Original colors, mixed to match the factory specifications from 1974. Watch 50 years disappear with every pass of the gun.
That orange, pure 1970s. You can't fake that era.
Clear coat locks it all in and brings out that depth. Time to finish what we started inside.
Period correct upholstery. The details matter. Modern LED, hidden behind vintage style. Best of both eras.
Same style curtains they would have hung in '74.
New seals keep the weather out for another 50 years.
Period white walls. Nothing else would look right.
First roll in 50 years. She moves like new. From forgotten relic to timeless beauty.
Inside, every detail honors the original, including that coffee mug.
The same camper. 50 years of neglect erased.
From a collapsed barn to the open road, some things are worth saving.